Are you struggling with a table saw that just won't cut to the right measurement? It's a common and frustrating problem. But what if you could fix in just few minutes? I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy trick to get your table saw dialed in, so you can stop guessing and start making perfect cuts. I have got my fence logged in at 3 inches, but after making the cut, the board is clearly over 3 inches. This is not just annoying, it's a huge waste of time and material. And a lot of us end up wasting time with a tape measure to set the desired measurement for every cut. But after watching this video, that's a step you'll never have to take again. To fix this, you just need a simple tool, a setup block. I'm using a 3/4 inch one. First, make sure your table saw is off, safety is first. Now place the block between the blade and the fence. Slide the fence over until it's snug against the block, then lock it down. The block should be able to slide back and forth, but you should not feel any side to side movement. Once that's done, move the fence cursor on your fence tape measure to the 3/4 inch mark and tighten the screws. When you're lining it up, look straight down from above. This helps you get in perfectly aligned on the first try and saves you a few frustrating attempts. So, does it work? Let's find out. I'm locking the fence at a clean 3 inches and making a rip cut. On my first try, the cut was perfect and my fence is now perfectly calibrated with the tape measure. If yours isn't quite right, just repeat the process. It's fast and easy. But just make sure to turn off the table saw because you'll need those fingers to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment.